Vicki with Avante Avenue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. This video is going to be vintage kitchen. So let's get started. Vintage kitchen. What do I have here? I have some kitchen gadgets. A little aluminum measuring cup, a vintage aluminum funnel. This is kind of different. It has a strainer, a little press and a strainer. I thought that was just something I've never seen before. And this is pretty cool. I guess it's an egg slicer. New to me. I've never seen one like that. Biscuit cutter, that's enjoyed a lot of use. Another little donut cutter with a little wood handle. You can practically see the flower still on it, but it's probably just peeling paint. A spoon, an old spoon that I need to research, Laguettes. A vintage potato peeler. I like the texture on it. A little scoop. I just love the age on these. I love the age and the wear. Wooden spoon. I just thought it was a neat shape. Another little biscuit cutter. That's seeing better days. Bottle opener. Drink Coca-Cola. This old spoon. I think it's a grapefruit spoon, silveroid. None of the silverware that we looked at actually said just silver. They all said silver plated. I picked up all of these vintage kitchen utensils because I'm thinking about putting them together as a lot. I'm not sure yet if it's going to be an auction lot or not. I'll have to do some research and see if they're worth more selling separately or together. We'll find out. But there's a box that I got all of these vintage kitchen tools, gadgets for $2 for all of these. What else do we have for vintage kitchen? Pecan pie. Now, if you know anything about these pie dishes, it is the pumpkin pie that is worth the most money. But this is older. You can see the crazing in it. Doesn't have anything on the back. Actually, I see initials on here. But I'll show you what that is worth. I checked eBay for my pecan pie plate and I found out there are so many variations of this plate. So I jumped over here to Google just to show you. Let's see if we can find mine. I have to look for the border to find what looks like my pie plate. And here it is on the far left hand side. They call it a deep plate, deep dish. As you can see, it's called a recipe plate, pecan pie recipe. They have it on eBay for $20. I didn't find it when I was looking, but I'll probably put my pie plate at around $24 to $29.95, not sure yet. Here's an oversized cup with little pretty butterflies on it. And this is made in Japan. And I found the matching saucer for it. I got this for just $1. And I think it would be great for a plant. Can't you just see that in the kitchen for a little plant? I almost want to keep it. I'm on eBay trying to find an oversized cup and saucer. I was trying to find a vintage Japan one. I couldn't find one, but I just wanted to show you here that they do exist by various companies. And basically, you know, as I said, the key word is oversized. You can see here, oversized, oversized. That's what you want to look for if you come across these cups and saucers. And for the most part, I guess you can see they can range anywhere from $8 to 50-some dollars and probably up. I'm going to put my cup and saucer at $29.95 with make offer and buyer paid shipping. This little pitcher, $2, blue and white. What's it say? Made in Finland. It's kind of hard to see. I'll have to work on the brand name there. It was $20, it looks like, from an antique store, and I paid $2 for it. I found two solds on eBay, and they're fancier than the one I have, but it looks like on both of them someone accepted an offer under the $39 or $34 that they were asking. But what do we have down below? We have some other ones here. These are a little fancier with the cats, but they do exist on eBay. I'll probably put my picture at $29.95 with make offer. There's one that looks sort of like it on the left hand side here. It says it's stenciled and it sold for only $9.99 one bid. Well, I'm most definitely going to start higher than that and see what I can get. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Oh, how can I forget this? Little grinder. A little, what's it say? Harque, H-A-R-Q-U-E, Deposy, Persilette, made in France. A little grinder. Pretty tacky. Need to wash that thing up. But isn't that adorable? The red handle. I have a feeling this might be worth a lot of money. We'll find out. I'm on eBay looking for this little grinder, this little shredder, this vintage piece that I have here. And I'm not even going to pretend that I can pronounce it properly, but I will give this a try. Let's look at the one over here on the left. Persilette, Mercari, Deposy, I don't know, but it's cute. And this one is $12. This one listed here for $5. Sponsored one for $29.99, which looks much newer than mine, and also this other one. And I only found 2 unsold, and they went for around the $12 range. But even so, I'm torn between listing this individually on eBay or putting it with the lot of all the kitchen utensils. I haven't decided yet, so you'll find out when my listing comes out. I couldn't resist picking up this rolling pin because it has red handles. It doesn't necessarily look that old. You can see there's some tape residue there, but it's a red handle, cost $1, had to get that. On eBay in the solds, you can see here that rolling pins can sell very well when you sell them in lots. Here's a lot that sold of 5 for $119 with one bid. A lot of 6, they took an offer. There's some single ones. Here's a red handled one. It says it's antique though, $51.99. Let's take a look down further. So yeah, I guess, if you want to put them together in a lot, I never really thought about just picking up every one that I saw, because not all of these have red handles, but there is one here on the left hand side with a red handle. It says it's antique. I really don't think mine is antique. This one sold for $33.99, but I'll get it listed, maybe not. I might keep it for photography. I have some ideas for photography with some vintage items, so we'll see. But yeah, pick up old rolling pins, put them together as a lot, and see what you can get. Always fun. By the way, since we're talking about rolling pins, I'm going to put in a plug for my other channel. It's called Thrifty Recipes. I'm putting out within the week a recipe for a triple cinnamon, supersized, gigantic cinnamon roll that actually is more like a supersized cinnamon raisin biscuit. But anyway, if you have any interest in recipes and cooking, check out my channel, Thrifty Recipes, and give me a follow over there. I love baking and cooking. And then this tea kettle, I paid $3 for it. Let's see if I can turn this over. And it says made in Holland. I'm going to do some research on that. I don't have everything listed that I picked up from my Country Pickins haul, but I do have this tea kettle listed. It's really not in as great a condition as I had hoped, but I put it here at $24.95 plus shipping. So let's just take a look at the photos here. As I've told you before, I like to take photos from all different angles, including showing the size, approximate dimensions. What's odd is at the bottom of this is a paper label that says made in Holland. So that leads me to believe that this is more of a decor piece and less of a functional piece. I have this mug. What's it say here? Gregorian, made in USA. Only $5.75, and it is solid copper, so I'll be researching this. Paid $1. I did get this listed on eBay, and I have to tell you, I picked up some unusual keywords for it, In my title here where you see Moscow Mule Cup, well, apparently that's the style, and that was completely new to me. There were a few out there, and it would have been nice if I'd had two, but I just had the one. I put it at $19.95 plus shipping, and of course make offer, and we'll see what it will bring. This little old lady was the first thing that I picked up at the Grandma's Country Cottage sale, and she was $2, and I put her in my basket right away. She is carved from wood. I cannot find, I don't know what that label used to say. I think I see a little bit of JAP for Japan. Picked her up for $2. I would say that she is an antique. That's what I'm thinking. I doubt I will find any comps, but I'll try. It's pouring down rain outside, so if you hear that in the background, that's what's going on. Little tiny elephant. And this is a little shaker. I could not find the country on it, but I just thought they were cute enough to pick up. I'm on eBay in the solds for elephant salt and pepper shakers. And I tell you what, this one on the left-hand side went for one bid, $150, and it's an assortment or a lot of shakers. And that tells me that I might have to start collecting shakers of all kinds and just put them in a lot. But really, I don't have the room. Don't have the room for all that. But some of these sell for pretty good money. Look at this one here in the middle. Sold for $104. That is really cool. Let's see if we can find mine. Let's scroll down here and take a look. But yeah, elephant, the really fancy elephant salt and pepper shakers, the full-size elephant with little side saddles, that seems to be going really well. But can I find mine? Sorry if I'm going too fast here. Just looking. Looks like the $22 range is a good range to be in. This might be it on the left-hand side. These little porcelain ones, they look similar. Now those sold for less than $14.99, but that doesn't stop me from putting mine up higher. I'm either going to put them at $19.95 or $24.95 with make offer plus buyer paid shipping. And what's a kitchen without roosters? Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. And it has another rooster to complement it. And I think it's just absolutely beautiful. And you know what? These were a ceramic class, were a craft project. And whoever painted these, well, I guess DS painted these, did a wonderful job, a beautiful job of antiquing. There's just maybe a few little marks on them. I think they were in really good condition. There might be a few little chips, I'm not sure, but absolutely gorgeous. Do you like roosters? Here's one on eBay, and it sold for, I guess, less than $22.99, but buyer paid shipping. It's just a solid red with no antiquing. This one on the far right looks like one of the similar shapes of what I bought. It's a white rooster. It sold for $19.99 free ship. And I think that's probably about it for comps. I actually have them on my buffet in my kitchen right now. We'll see if I actually list them. I probably will. These are active listings on eBay. Here's one for $12 in a blue-green finish. So I guess the mold is common, the mold that they use to make the ceramic, and that's okay. So I don't know. I might just start mine at $49.95 with make offer plus shipping. What do you think? So this is some of my vintage kitchen haul, and I decided since I had to wash everything, I would just video it right here on the counter. What do we have here? Oh, no brand. How can there be no brand? Is there no brand to these cute little rooster dishes? How about these? Here it is. Reveal, Taylor Smith and Taylor. Oven proof. Aren't they just beautiful? I can just see this displayed on a little easel. Now, I have 3 dinner plates. I have one that's in fairly good condition, one that has a lot of scratches on it, and one that's in pretty poor condition. It has some chips, but that's okay. I have bowls which I think will sell well. I have at least 4 sets of the coffee cups and plates, and I have 4 of these little small salad plates or bread plates. I paid only $3 for all of these dishes. I'm going to do some research on eBay and tell you what I find out about these. I'm on eBay again in their solds, and I'm looking up this ReVeal Taylor Smith & Taylor Rooster, and let's see what we can find. I do have it sorted from highest, including shipping. Let's take a look. First row here. 7 cereal bowls sold for less than $45. 8 plates sold for $35. But let's narrow this down. See if we have any single items here. Here's one of the plates, the dinner plates on the right hand side. Went for less than $12, but plus shipping. As you know, 2 of my plates are not in very good condition. But it's a really pretty pattern, and I think it has a lot of potential. I'll probably put the bowls in a set of 4. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure how I'm going to list them. But I'm definitely going to list them, and I think they'll sell fine. And as far as the price, well, I guess I'll know that for sure when I finally do get them listed. But have you ever sold these before? If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, ring that bell to receive notifications on future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Gotta love these chickens. They're pretty.